Hello, hello, welcome to Speak English Confidently podcast. And it's another week again. So, another term and a phrase to be learned. And today we have our friends here who's going to join. We have here Ria again.
Hi.
She just came back. And we have Mom Joanne. So,
Hi.
okay, thank you guys so much for being here. I hope you guys are ready to learn a new phrase.
Yes, ready.
He is ready.
Good to know. So, great. So our term for this week is gonna be it's all downhill from here. Have you guys heard about this phrase before? Because me personally, I'm quite confused if this is somehow
Never heard.
positive or
Yeah.
negative phrase. But we will learn more about it as we go through this lesson. So how about you guys? Do you happen to know this phrase?
Never heard of
Never
it.
heard.
Never heard of it. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. It's great. It's okay, and it's a great thing that you've been honest that you don't know this what this phrase means. So this is safe space to learn English. So we're going to learn together what this means. So okay, let me go ahead and share my screen and let's start learning more about this phrase. Okay. Let me know if you see my screen, guys.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, is there any errors or any black
No.
part that you're
Good.
seeing? All good?
Yeah, all good.
Yes, all good.
Okay. All right. So it says here, let's listen. What does it's all downhill from here means?
It's all downhill from here. This common expression means that you have finished the hard part and now it will get easier.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So
Mm.
based on my understanding, it's quite negative. But right after I've heard it from
Uh-huh.
Flow itself, it means it's somehow it gets easier when because when you're
You
going a
already
hike,
finished.
it's actually harder to go when you're going up when you're in a trek or going for a hike, and it's much
Uh-huh.
easier to go down, right? So it's kind of you get the idea. So whenever it's a downhill, it's much more easier to go down instead of going up. So yeah, it's a common expression means that you have finished the hard part and now it will get easier. Okay, so that's what it means. Let's go ahead and try to practice this with the application itself. Well, let me practice and tap to record my response. It's all downhill from here. Okay, I got an excellent because it's easy. So you guys will be the one who's going to do the hard part. Okay.
Okay.
All right, so let's click on next.
Okay.
Okay, so would you do this part, Ate Ria, since you just
Okay.
came back? So, all right.
Okay, sure.
Okay, good.
Sure.
You are working in a science lab. Your advisor and your advisor and you have submitted a paper to a leading publisher in your field. Your advisor is looking relieved. What can you say to her?
Okay,
Let's see
let's see
some
the
examples.
examples. Okay.
So, which one would you like to choose?
Let's try the number 3.
Number three, the third casual,
Yeah.
because it's the shortest.
Yes.
Ah, you're
Smart.
smart.
Smart move.
Okay,
Okay.
let me go ahead and tap to record your response and let me know whenever you're ready and I'll tap it.
Okay. Ready? We're over the hardest part. It's all downhill from here.
Okay.
Okay, what's my
Your score.
score?
Wow,
Wow,
excellent.
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 First try. First try ever since.
Yes.
Okay, let's see your overall score details. By the way, guys, the score details is only available
Mhm.
for premium versions of the
So,
FlowSpeak app. So, yeah, you may try to check on this one as well. So you can get to know more about the details of your score so that you can see which one would you need to be improving on. All right, so let's see if there's any grammar errors. So far we didn't find any grammar errors because we just use the phrase that or use the examples that Flow
Mhm.
provided.
Okay.
Okay, so Mom's Joanne will be doing the next one. Okay, well done. Your friend has finished setting up an important art installation in top hotel in Chicago. How can you comment on her accomplishment? Let's see some examples for responses. So I think
I'll go
we
for
use
the
the professional.
casual last
No,
one.
professional one. We'll
For
Good
be
the
choice,
bottom
Ma'am
one.
Joanne.
you can do it, Ma'am Joanne. Okay, so professional, all right?
No,
No.
I'll go for the casual,
Okay, casual. But
the
uh,
bottom one.
the bottom one. Okay, smart.
Yes.
Smart move also.
Okay, that's fine. All right, so let's stop to record your response. Let me know whenever you're ready.
Ready?
Okay.
You did a great job getting your installation prepared. It's all downhill from here.
Guys, well
Here
played.
we go.
Oh, see,
Oh, excellent.
excellent. What more if you did the professional one? Okay, let's see your score details. So far, so good with the pronunciation, and I think there's no problem with the grammar as well because we just use the example phrases. So, okay, let me go ahead and do the next.
Okay. Ooh.
Excellent. Your new friend from France is working at a non-profit to help children get a medical treatment. She has finished arranging a project to have doctors volunteer their time, saving a lot of money. How can you respond to her efforts? Okay, so let me see some examples. Let me use a professional one. So,
Wow.
of course, we're a go-getter. Okay, just kidding. Okay, so let me tap my response. To record my
Okay.
response. Okay. You have done an excellent job to get ready. You've finished the hardest part and it's all going to be downhill from here. Okay, I think I messed that quite a bit, but it's okay. Okay, so I've got an excellent
Excellent.
Excellent.
score with almost full, guys. So look,
Wow.
because the mic is on
Yeah.
me.
Mm.
Okay, because
Nice.
because I'm close to my mic, so
Uh-huh.
the reception is good. Anyway, no grammar errors. Yeah, see, there's a bit of mistake.
Yeah.
Mm.
So
Good
it's
trick.
fine as long as you're making a conversational English and
Uh-huh.
the person you're talking to is getting the idea. So okay, so we're done with the lesson. And
Wow.
yes, so
Yay. Hey.
mhm. For example, as a social media manager, you might try some new strategies for your new brand, and you've done all of the content that you're going to use for the whole week itself or at least the whole month, and it's going to be downhill from there, right?
Wow.
Hopefully it's always going to be like that. But yeah,
Fingers crossed.
always depends. It always depends. So, guys, make sure to practice this phrase whenever you had the chance because I believe that the key is to the key to being good at something is through repetition, and you just really have to practice,
Yes.
Practice.
and you will be able to you will be able to adapt. So, okay, thank you guys so much for being here
Yes.
with
Thank
us,
you so
and
much.
do not forget to click
Thanks.
down below.
Yes.
And by the way, Ria, what's the term for our next week for the next week's phrase?
A curveball.
Curve ball. Okay, what does that mean? Curve ball. I really do
Mm.
not know what that phrase means, but we'll see. So stay tuned. So start using the app by clicking the link down below and
Yes.
join our community. It's a safe space to learn English and improve your English speaking skills with flowspeak.io. See you guys next week.
Yes, thank you. Bye.
Bye.